Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There's not a direct substitute for fresh cranberries, but you could make a relish or chutney using a combination of fresh cherries and pomegranates, as well as a small amount of dried cranberries or dried figs. The flavor will be more sweet than tart, but it serves the same purpose.
Take our lead.
Barberries. Barberry, a very special berry considering the texture, color and taste. Dried barberries are a rather similar fruit to cranberries. Unlike dried cranberries, dried barberries are almost always found in a raw and unprocessed form, which makes them a much healthier option than the common sweetened dried cranberries.
Let's help you make your mark.
Substitute for dried cranberries or substitute golden or black raisins. Or use dried cherries if you have them. These are very good in baked goods, on cooked cereal or used in a fresh green salad. Or use chopped pitted dates in baked goods or cereals.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You'll probably want to use about 1 cup of fresh cranberries for every 1/2 cup of dried cranberries called for in the recipe. You can also look for recipes calling for fresh blueberries and use cranberries instead. Since they're similar in size, fresh blueberries and cranberries can be substituted 1 for 1.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, Craisins dried cranberries work well in baked goods. However, there is a 1/4 cup difference in measurement. If a recipe calls for 1 cup of fresh or frozen cranberries, you should use 3/4 cup of Craisins. Craisins should not be used in cooked sauces.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.